How many people can understand this heartwarming animation? The old dog wants to end his life, but he was stopped by his rival. The old wolf asks the old dog if he wants to hang himself, but the old dog said he was just taking a walk. The old dog didn't want to lose face in front of the old wolf. When he was young, old dog had fought with old wolf to protect the house. Old dog had fought with old wolf many times, but now the old dog is getting old, and his legs are not so good. When he is not careful, he trips and falls over his mistress. The milk in his hand is spilled on the ground. The mailmaster stepped on the old dog accidentally when he got off the carriage. Scared, the old dog carried him and ran. The owner's daughter tripped and fell into the milk. The milk splashed on the kitten. The cat jumped on his future son-in-law's head in fear. The old dog also became deaf and blind. The thief sneaked into the yard at night, stole the owner's valuables. The owner was so angry that he kicked the old dog to the middle of nowhere, but the old dog has no wilderness survival skills. Trying to catch a rabbit, the old dog can't outrun him.